thing. To bring the chair out of the car, you got very easy 2 buttons up and down. Press the down button and hold it down. You want to make sure that you're on a flat surface at all times. Make sure there's no variation in the ground. Don't offload it onto the curbside. You want it to be the same height from the ground as the vehicle itself. While I'm talking, it's bringing the chair out. You don't really have to do much here. Just keep an ear out for any changes, any weird noises. We've gone through it, had a look at it. It's all working as it should. You'll hear 2 beeps at the end. And that means the chair's in the correct position. You put the remote away, bring the chair forward, unhook it here. You can see there's just 2 points to hook onto, here and here, specifically for these hooks. You want to make sure that they go into these slots. They just sort of push in. You can see there's a spring here which senses that the hooks are in the correct spot, so you need to make sure that they both sit in here and they're hitting this spring. That will tell the system that the chair is off. Push the chair off and away. You've got locks on it to stop it from rolling away, and then to bring it back into the car, you just press the up button again. And that will bring it all the way back in without the chair, so you can lock the car and head away. Again, you just want to listen out for the double beep, and that will happen once it's fully stowed away. If you get any weird long beeps or anything like that, that'll mean that there might be something wrong, and that's when you give us a call. So you'll hear the double beep in a minute, just as it finishes spinning around. That means it's all happy and ready to go. You pull the door handle and that will automatically close, and then you can lock the car and walk away. Now when you're loading and unloading the wheelchair, you want to have the engine running. It's not a necessity, but it'll make everything run a bit faster, and it will save killing the battery in case you're stuck out in a shopping centre or whatnot. It's better to just have the car running. That means you're not going to kill the battery loading and unloading. So bringing the chair back in, I'll bring it out again. I'm just again pressing that down button, all very easy. The rule of thumb is wait for the double beep, keep holding it down until you hear the double beep. Once the double beep has sounded, you take your finger off and you don't press the down button again. So your 2 quick beeps in a minute. There we go. That means it's ready to go. It's when you can wheel the chair back into its spot. Back it on slowly. You want to line up these bars. They sit on these brackets here. So you want to try and line them up as best as you can. Slowly back it on. Put the hooks back onto the slots that were shown earlier. This will pull the chair back into its spot. And you want to make sure just over here that the middle of this bar is sitting here. This will lock into place as the chair goes up and in, and you can see there's another sensor here that will sense that the chair's in the spot. So as you bring it back up into the car, just have a look around while you're doing it. Make sure the wheels aren't getting in the way of anything. You'll notice it'll make noises and whatnot if it is. You'll also hear a locking noise as well, which locks those cables will pull down on the chair and lock it into place, so it's secure as a seat for a vehicle passenger as well. And again, we're going to hear the double beep, and that means it's all happy. There we go. If we hear any other beeps or long single beeps, that means that there's something wrong, and the best thing to do will be to take the chair back off and start from scratch. And there's the door again.
All good?
That's it.
Thank you.